Alright, boys and girls, welcome to another unboxing video. This time we're going to be unboxing the Iron Man Mark III model. Again, from my favorite brand so far, ZD Toys. Alright, so let's go right at it. And I've been buying this stuff, by the way, from the exact same seller so far. Simply because like the reviews, and like they have been like consistent with the way they package the items I ordered from them. Bubble wrap on the outside, boxed the actual item inside, and if all is well and they're like keeping up with the way they've been doing things since the beginning that I purchased from them, this baby is still gonna be bubble wrapped on the inside as well before you get to the actual box. And as predicted, box, another bubble wrap. So bubble wrap, box, another bubble wrap, like to protect the box itself, like to keep it in mint condition. Like if you're one of those people who like to, you know, keep boxes of stuff that you buy. I mean, like I do that just so, like, if I want to keep them inside a box, especially if you're moving or, you know, just for aesthetic purposes, you still have that box. And like maybe if you want to sell it sometime in the future, yeah, that keeping that box actually helps keep some of that market value. But enough talk with the boxes. Let's open this baby up. And yeah, as predicted, you know, the way they package their stuff really keeps the item in mint condition. And there you go, ladies and gents, Mark III. And I think this one says it's an LED version. The non-LED doesn't have this. So let's go ahead and open this baby. Be careful because I don't want to be damaging the box. So just like cut it real carefully. Ta-da! Look at that. And same way that we opened Marks 1 and 2, it's also magnetic box. You open it like so, and like now you see like the internals of the suit, and has this fancy silk tab for it to pull on. Cool photo. And like the way this box is built as well is like the same as Mark II LED version. It has like that hologram there, that hologram thingy design onto the box, and like the non-LED ones are not like made that way. So first you see the charging cable, so it's obviously an indicator that we bought what we got what we wanted, which is the LED version of the Mark III. And this model, by the way, Mark III also came out on the first Iron Man movie. Like Tony built the Mark 1 during captivity. Mark 2 he built when he got back stateside, and then that was the unpainted one, like the chrome version, and then Mark 3 is like the one that he already painted with the hot rod scheme. Hot rod, what do you call that? Hot rod paint scheme. So I think this has 3 tapes. I'm just gonna be careful. I don't want to be damaging the protective case as well. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna open it now. We're gonna go with the accessories first. So as per, there's another one here. I'm opening it wrong. There you go. So the accessories, we have repulsor blasts, which you can put on the foot to make it look like he's flying, or you can also put it on the hands to make it look like he's firing his repulsor blasts. Extra set of hands. I don't know if extra set of hands. This one you put on his wrist. I think they also showed this one on the first Iron Man movie where he blasted a tank with that. These set of hands, like they had the repulsor blaster on there, like just different configuration. They're like posed differently, and then the other hands, they have holes on them, like I mentioned, so that you can like put the repulsor blasts on it, like so. So it would look like your Tony's firing stuff on there. So now this one, yeah, this one you put on his forearm, like missiles for blasting enemies away, your stand, and again, I like this better than the first one, the Mark 1, which is manually adjusted. This one is spring-loaded, so it's built better in my opinion, fancier in my opinion. So we're gonna put this aside for now, and then we're gonna go to the main event, which is this guy right here. Remove that plastic thingamajig, and look at this guy. Get a load of that. Look at him. I mean, wow. The red, the hot rod red, and like the gold, they really complement each other. And like, this is basically same build as Mark II. The only difference is that it has more color to it, obviously. Hot rod red, gold, and then the one that I mentioned earlier, I think you can pop this out there. You can like remove this from his forearm, these tabs, and then you can put in those missile thingamajig. I'm gonna put him right there. Make him stand there. Stay there, Iron Man. And then that's here. Those tank busters, I'd call them. These babies, you can put them on like so. And this one goes. I'm gonna hear that click. There you are. Like you can do that. I think he fired with his left arm, blasted that tank away like that. Or like do it with 2 hands. Take that, bitch. So yeah, and same with the Mark II model. Pop out shoulders for more what do you call that, posability, or like I forgot the word, articulation. Yeah, there you go. Also pop out joints for the legs, see that. The bend can go like more than 90 degrees on there. Same with the other one. See, like this baby is fully posable. If you pull out the joint, you can like do more leg extensions and stuff like that. And of course, the back, the flaps open, like for when you're flying, going Mach whatever. And like, just look at how this guy's painted, like the way that red, hot rod red glows. It's like, it's very glossy. Like it doesn't look cheap at all. And by the way, again, I just like to reiterate that this is by no means a knockoff of any other Disney, any other brands that are like way more expensive. This is made by ZD Toys. And of course, the highlight of this item, why I always buy the LED version, is because of this. Look at that. I mean, once those lights go on, it's like the bad guys are already gonna get it. I mean, wow, just look at this baby. See that? So I think I ought to buy like a rotating thingamajig next time, so I don't have to like manually spin stuff around. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below where I bought this item, so you guys can like buy from the same seller as I did if you're from the Philippines. All right, that's it, Iron Man fans. See you on my next unboxing video. Marks 4 and 5 coming up. Ciao.